Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm driving a 2021 Chevy Equinox, and we have a check engine light on. We're down on the highway, so we have a code for the P0234. It's engine boost malfunction. So as I test driving this car right here, it has really good boost as of right now. So for the past couple of days, we have a minus 12 degrees Fahrenheit, and windshield is around minus 30 and 35 Fahrenheit. So I believe the code is gonna be a freezing turbo. Most likely it's gonna be because when you park outside or in your inside your garage, then everything freezes up. But as of right now, we have 2 degrees Fahrenheit, no 5 right now. So it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. So I test drove this this car right here down the highway, and it's respond really good. So most likely the turbo it freeze because of the moisture inside the turbo. Most likely. So just want to aware of that. If you drive a Chevy Equinox and you live in the northern state, like below freezing, that's very typical. You have this kind of code, and one day you can't accelerate because of the turbo boost is not working. Then the next day it's warm outside, then you'll be able to drive your vehicle normal. Still, just want to make sure you guys are aware of that for the customer and for the technician working on here too. So alright, let me park here, so I'm gonna show you what kind of code we have. So P0234. So we have a history, and we did not clear the code, so it is a history and engine overboost. So let's go to freeze frame. So freeze frame is gonna give you a brief data from the past when testing happened. Alright, so engine load is 77%, fuel pressure 57 psi. So it happens right around 57 mile per hour. So it's been running for 11 minutes and 52 seconds. So the fuel tank is about over half full. So this happened right around engine is driving. So it happened yesterday, if I believe. So right here, engine off for 12 hours now. So yesterday was kind of freezing out. It's really cold outside, but not cold as the day before. So once the freezing weather does affect your vehicle your vehicle performance. And anyway, so I'm gonna go back to his shop. As you can see right there, the light is on. So this vehicle has only 70,000 miles on it. 75,000, yeah, approximately. So alright guys, so I'm gonna go back to the shop, and maybe I'll be able to find a TSB regarding for this. So if I found a TSB regarding for this, then I will post a link down in the description and for you guys to download it. Alright, so you can check the downloadable TSB regarding for this car. The link is down in the description. Alright guys, alright, so I'm gonna go back to shop and figure it out. Then I will see you later. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm kind of lucky, so we have a second Chevy Equinox. We have same problem, P0234. So it's the turbo again. So I have two cars, same problem, and this one has a additional code too. So this one is the P0703 brake signal is incorrect. So the customer complained he also have a hard time remote starting. So that is most likely is gonna prevent the remote starter to start, especially when you have a brake switch problem. Neither is it seized or something else that I don't know. So if you have a remote starter, for example, a factory one or the aftermarket one, once you get in the car, step on the brake, then the vehicle starts shutting down. So that prevents from thief from stealing your vehicle. So that is the reason behind the brake switch about it. It doesn't matter from the factory or the aftermarket one, they all serve the same function. As you can see right here, the weather is 9 degrees, I mean 8 degrees right now. So here is welcome to northern state. It's cold. In the last couple of days, we have a negative I think it's 15, 14, something like that, and the wind chill was negative 25 to 30 Fahrenheit. So we're talking about Fahrenheit here, we're not talking about Celsius. It's cold, it's really cold. So if I remember, yesterday they had a news about the Chicago has some problem, the Tesla problem. So the battery station is not working or something like that. I just skimmed to it, so I'm probably gonna make a video for that, and you can check it out in the link in the description. So anyway, come back to this Equinox right here. So the previous Equinox, it was 2021, so this one is 2022. It has same code, only one code. So that one, the first Equinox I worked on, has the P0234. So what it does is, I also found a TSB for it. So the TSB calling for the PCM to update their PCM software. So this one you can do it at the dealer, or you can do it somewhere the shop that has the machine that capable of updating your PCM software. So the same thing as previous one I worked on, the Equinox. I recommend it to the dealer so they can do some upgrading with the updating with the software, the PCM software. And I also have a TSP copy for you guys to download. The link is also in the description. You can download it. And by the way, I also have a master class that show you how to do some basic check that you can do at home. You can replacing your air filter, your cabin air filter, and wiper blades. So that one you can do it at home easily and saves you some a lot of money by doing that stuff. So the link is also in the description. You are welcome to check it out too. So everything is downloadable down in the link in the description. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to a shop and investigate this